Yeah, and the various time you need to open your Outlook. Okay, then you need to click the settings button. Okay, click the settings button. Under the setting button you need to click, yeah, you need to click in the view all the Outlook settings. Okay, click here, and then mail. Under the mail, okay, you need to click the compose and overlay. Okay, you need to click compose and overlay button and have a interface open. Okay, it is loading. Okay, yeah, it has been open, and we need to go back our file which we would like to install in our Outlook account. Okay, let's just open. This is the same process, and you need to select all the signature. Okay, signature, all the select all the signature, Ctrl plus A. Okay, and then you need to copy, that's mean Ctrl plus C. At the very bottom, select all the signature and then Ctrl plus C. Okay, and go back to your Outlook account online. Okay, here, and then in this place you need to paste here, that's mean Ctrl plus V. Ctrl plus V, yeah, and scroll down the page. You must both tick mark. Okay, both tick mark, and also very much important that the compose mail in HTML format should be HTML format, not plain text. Not plain text, HTML format. Okay, HTML format should be HTML format, and then you need to save that. Yeah, then close the fields. When you click the new messages, yeah, yeah, automatically the signature has been included as email signature. Yeah, this is the process of installing HTML email signature on Outlook. Okay, thanks.